The hard truth about YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel looks easy, but here's the hard truth. 99% of creators give up in their first year. And honestly, I now understand why. I'm only a few videos in, and the learning curve has been incredible. Figuring out the gear alone is no joke. I know a lot of people start out just using a camera, but see, I didn't go that route. I'm a techie, so I bought all the high-tech gear, and guess what? It sat for about a year before I even attempted to learn how to use it. Also, I didn't realize how much goes into making just one video. You're coming up with a topic, researching the subject, you're writing scripts, coming up with a hook and thumbnail, something I knew nothing about. And of course, you got to film the video, editing the video, then you upload it, and it doesn't stop from there. And then you have to add keywords and other things. Now, yeah, there are a lot of AI tools that help, and I use many of them, but it still takes a lot of time. I mean, one video can take a few days. Now I really understand why a lot of YouTubers don't make it past a few videos. But here's the thing, if you want to win on YouTube, here's what I found out. You need a winning strategy. Here's the thing you don't think about if you're just consuming content like I did most of the time when I was just watching YouTube videos. The person you're watching most likely isn't winging it. They planned everything. They researched the topic or the part or whatever it is that they're doing. They came up with a hook, tested it out, tested it. They came up with the hook and tested out thumbnails. They wrote a script, practiced it, filmed it probably multiple times, edited the script, optimized their video, uploaded and added some keywords. Again, I had no idea all of that went into making a YouTube video. And I was a major consumer of YouTube videos for many years. I mean, it could easily be a 40, 50, or 60 plus hour a week job for YouTube content creators. But once you have a strategy, you have a better chance of winning the YouTube game. With over 500 hours of content uploaded every minute on YouTube, the biggest challenge isn't competition, it's confusion, no strategy or roadmap. What I found out is if you have those things and you stay consistent, you're building something valuable, one video at a time. So here was my turning point. I was confused, I was lost. I invested in a mastermind program. That was the turning point for me. See, when I initially decided to start a YouTube channel, it was really to attract more clients for my accounting firm. It wasn't necessary for me to earn money from the channel. If I made money, I did. If not, it was okay. But after joining the mastermind program, I learned the world of YouTube. I completely changed my focus. Now I have a strategy, I have a roadmap, and I have a community of other YouTubers to learn from. So my first piece of advice to those who want to leverage YouTube as a business, and you can certainly do that and make money, invest in a course. It's been a game changer for me. Now listen, I know starting a YouTube channel can really come with a lot of high anxiety, but stop worrying. So if you want to start a YouTube channel and you're scared, especially if you're 40, 50, or beyond, you can do this. But here's the thing, give yourself some grace and plenty of patience. Go slow and go low tech. Listen, I'm over 60 and I run several businesses. I love all things AI. I love tech gadgets and technology, but it even took me time to figure out how to work the cameras, the audio, the lighting, and I'm still learning. I got stuff I don't even know how to use. But here's the thing, just start wherever you are and with whatever you have. Also, don't worry about audience perception, what people think, crazy comments, negative criticism, or how you're gonna look on camera. I mean, I'm a newbie and my goal is just to get better with each video, be of service, add value, and continue to grow and expand my horizons. That's it. My focus is on continuous improvement, and everything else will happen naturally. Stop worrying about how you're going to look or sound. I don't like my voice. I'm not camera ready. I'm too old. I have too many wrinkles. Listen, none of that really matters. What matters is, are you helping your audience? Is this what you really want to do? Your viewers care about the message, the value, and the encouragement you give just by showing up. Not the wrinkles, not the lighting. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just need to be real. Here's the other thing. Your age is an advantage. I enjoy listening to younger creators, and they bring a tremendous amount of value to YouTube. I continue to learn so much from them. However, I can really relate to creators who have some worn out shoes. I've been an entrepreneur for over 17 years, and I've experienced the struggles associated with owning multiple businesses. Like many people my age, I've loved, lost, and had to start over many times. But with that, I've gained wisdom, patience, and over 60 years of life lessons. See, this is called the experience advantage, and it's not baggage, it's content. You see, people trust creators who've been through it. Your stories connect, they teach, they build credibility. You can do this. Your visual legacy. Now let's just get deep for a second. We all have a why. For me, that's my grandkids. They are the only people on this planet that can make me cry just thinking about them. If you're a parent or a grandparent, your YouTube channel is legacy. Your kids, your grandkids, they'll hear your voice, see your face, learn from your values, even long after you're gone. That's not just content, that's a gift. See, with YouTube, you have to play the long game. Now, as I wrap this up, you're not going to blow up overnight. That may not even be your goal. At the end of the day, you determine what's successful to you. You define your journey and what you want to accomplish on YouTube. But here's the one thing that will happen. You will get better with each video. Just take it video by video. And you have no choice but to improve and get better and more comfortable. So post weekly, batch record, outsource editing if you can. But whatever you do, just keep showing up, just keep recording. Because your future audience, your kids, your grandkids, they're already looking for you. So now I want to hear from you. What's the biggest thing holding you back from starting? Or what part of this story resonated most with you? Drop it in the comments below. I read them all.